always been curious on how much small YouTubers actually make here on YouTube. You know, I've watched a lot of big creators here on YouTube sharing about their monetization, and I have also watched some small creators actually share about their monetization and how much they earn in a month. And I have always wondered how much I'm going to make in 1 month after monetizing my channel. And yes, in today's video I'm going to be practically showing you how much I've been able to make on YouTube here just 1 month after monetizing my channel. But in my own case, you all know that I actually got monetized here on the 15th of December, and I actually started earning on the 18th of December, and YouTube has already showed me my payments, which I'm going to receive from on the 21st of this January to 26th of this January. So basically what I'm going to be showing us today is how much I've been able to make here on YouTube, starting from December 18th till the 31st of December. Yes, it's not up to 1 month, I think 2 weeks or thereabout. So guys, this is what we're going to be discussing about in today's video. And why do you need to watch this video? You need to watch it in order for you to motivate you, and also for you to know what you'll be expecting when you get monetized. Because some small creators actually earn higher than I did, some actually earn lower. So that is why you need to watch this video and go down to the comment section and give me your thoughts. What do you think? Is it actually high? Is it actually low for just 2 weeks after monetizing my channel? So guys, let's just go straight to my YouTube studio in order for me to take you through on the step by step. So moving over to the month of December 2024, these are what I've been able to achieve. So for the view aspect, I've been able to gather 158.1k views, which is actually very massive, honestly speaking. Then for the watch time hours, I've been able to accumulate 8.4k watch hours. That is a whole lot just for the month of December alone. Then for subscribers, I've been able to accumulate 4,300 subscribers. Guys, I think I actually did pretty well. And if you go down here, you will see some of the videos that actually helped me a whole lot in boosting my watch hour, in boosting my subscribers, and also in increasing my revenue. So these are the videos down here. These are the videos that actually helped me. And come to think of it, starting from the very first day I got monetized till date, these are the numbers of videos I've been able to upload. I was actually uploading back to back. Yes, actually uploaded almost every day on my channel here. So guys, we're going to be going straight to the estimated revenue, which is I've been able to make $560.41. That is massive. Yes, I think this is roughly like more like a 2 weeks payment. Yes, because it is from the 18th of December till the 31st of December. So what do you guys think? Is it actually high? Is it actually low? And this is the payment that I'm going to be expecting on the 21st of January to 26th. So in between those dates, I think my money is supposed to come. Don't play. So guys, let's discuss on this payment. How is it? Is it high? Is it quite low? And if you are monetized, how much were you able to earn in your first month? You can as well go ahead to the comment section and share it. Yes, because I might get this amount in December, and in the next month I might not be able to get it. So this is just how YouTube is. And secondly, there is another thing. I know that a lot of us has been complaining on our January earnings. Yes, I think advertisers pay less in January. Yes, because I have a couple of 1,000 views on my channel, which I actually generated over $6. And recently, views per 1k, and recently the RPM I get per 1k views on my channel are below $4. So after making my research, I realized that advertisers don't really pay much on the month of January, and that is how it rotates. I think February it comes a bit higher, down to March, down to May, April, June, July. But I think the highest month advertisers actually pay really high is November and December. So if you are out there, you are panicking, you are killing yourself, calm down. We are actually facing this, advertisers don't really pay much on January. Yeah, so don't panic, be relaxed, and just keep on doing what you're doing. And secondly, I think another thing that determine how much you're going to earn in a month is by your CPM. Yes, you know, YouTube don't advertisers don't pay a particular CPM for each video. This video might have 9 CPM, that is $9, and that video advertisers might pay $48. Then YouTube is going to minus theirs and give you what you're going to earn, which is your RPM. So a lot of things contribute on how much you earn here on YouTube. And also your content, the kind of content you're creating out there. Someone in my niche should definitely earn more than a vlog channel. Yeah, this is just how it is. You can go ahead and always make your research. Yes, so I think getting payment on YouTube also depends on your niche, the kind of niche you are focused on. Yeah, then if you're wondering how can I get monetized faster, how can I, just make sure you are bringing out that valuable content. Upload content that has value, content that once people see they'll be interested to watch. Put more focus on creating eye-catchy thumbnail. Thumbnail goes a long way. It's not by creating over attractive thumbnail, no, just make it unique. And also optimize your video titles, your descriptions, your hashtags and tags. Make sure you're using the necessary keyword. I've done a lot of videos that is going to actually help you in coming up with eye-catchy thumbnails, eye-catchy description, eye-catchy SEO titles. This is the video here. So if you are a beginner here, just go ahead and watch that video. And believe me when I say your channel is going to take a U-turn, because I exposed a lot of big gurus here, their secrets. Yes, thank me for that in the comment section. So just go ahead and watch that video and thank me later. Okay, so guys, in all, I think this pay is actually way much higher than I had expected, because this is just my pay for 2 weeks. Oof, 500 and something dollar, which when I was even working I couldn't even make up to this. Quarter of this amount I couldn't even make up to it in a month, and this is just what YouTube has paid me. It's just me coming up to my screen and talking, sharing my knowledge with you guys, and I'm able to make this is really massive. And I must say, first of all, thank you to Jesus Christ, thank you, oh God, for this breakthrough. Secondly, I must say a very big thank you to my supporters, my subscribers out there. You guys means a lot, and if it is my power to review each of your channel every day, I would definitely do that, because this is a whole lot, honestly. I'm speechless. Thank you guys so much for always believing in me, for always finding my content resonating. Yes, because it's not easy. There are a lot of gurus out there, yeah, but you all chose me to watch my videos. Not just only watch, a lot of you share my content. Like, this is mind-blowing. My videos are being shared to WhatsApp every single day. You know, YouTube is not going to show you, oh, so person shared a video. If not, I would have been doing a lot of shout outs. But if you're out there, you will share my videos. Just know that I keep praying for you every day. God is going to bless you and also help you become prosperous on your channel. So lastly, I want to say a very big thank you to YouTube itself. Yes, YouTube, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have changed my life. Yes, in just 2 weeks I've been able to end this. Woo! This is really massive. If you don't find it massive, like, if you can understand from where I'm coming from, you know that this is a whole lot. Yes, and I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you, Jesus. So guys, I'm going to be dropping how much I earn in January. Yes, because January is going to be the first money I earn in a full month. So guys, you all need to watch out. Let us wait till this January ends, yes, before we know how much I actually made in January. So guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video. Go down to the comment section and drop what you think. What is your say on this? Is it high? Is it low? I don't know. So guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video.